welcome back to Tech World, and we're going to be doing an amazing video today because we're going to be doing a review of the MSI Creator Z16. And also, if you guys have noticed, we both are doing a collab today, and I hope you guys like the video because yesterday's live stream we said that we'll be doing today a collab, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into the video right now. So basically, the MSI Creator Z16 is a Windows 10 laptop with a 16-inch display that has resolution of 2560 to 2560 into 1600 pixels, which is powered by a Core i7 processor.
The graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. The connectivity options include the Wi-Fi 8 and 2.11, E by AC, by AX, Bluetooth, and comes with the 4 USB ports. And number 4, Type-C and multi-card slot, headphones, and micro jack ports.
As of 18 December 2021, the MSI Creator Z16 price is in India is rupees 2,40,090 rupees. Like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and turn notification. If you guys turn notification, you guys will notify us in the video. And also share this with family, friends, every guys know, so they will also get notified if it's a new video, and also new interesting videos and entertaining videos about phones that were released, and also the reviews of them. And I hope you guys like this video. My name is Jonas.
My name is John.
We are Tech Wars.
Signing off.
Bye bye.